Hi guys! Sa previous video, pinag-aralan natin yung pag-insert ng arithmetic mean between two numbers. Isa lang yun, no? Dito, mag-aaral tayo kung paano mag-insert ng more than one. No? Let's have our first problem. Insert three arithmetic means between -10 and 26. So, ibig sabihin na nito, meron tayong sequence, no? Meron tayong arithmetic sequence na ang first term ay -10. Tapos mag-i-insert tayo ng ilan? Tatlo, no? And then, yung pang last term natin ay 26, no? So, actually, sequence siya. Arithmetic sequence na given the first term and the last term, no? And makikita natin na meron tayong 5 terms, di ba? So, we have, this is t sub 1, this is t sub 2, t sub 3, t sub 4, t sub 5. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung tatlong terms dito. And given yung t sub 1 at t sub 5, we have -10. Ang t sub 5 natin ay 26. At yung n natin ay 5. Diba? Kasi 5 yung number of terms. Which means that d is the unknown. Okay? So, sa original formula natin, we have t sub 1 or t sub n is equal to t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Diba yung original formula natin? Pero ang kukunin natin ay t sub 5, which is 26, di ba? And we have t sub 1 of -10 plus ang number of terms natin ay 5 and then minus 1. And we have t. This is t sub 5, no? And 26 equals -10 plus 4d. Which means that if we add 10 to both sides, we have 26 plus 10 equals 4d. Mawawala na yung 10 kasi -10 plus 10 is 0. So this is 36 equals 4d. And d is equal to 9. So d is equal to 9. Ano nga ulit yung d? Yung difference, di ba? Ibig sabihin, magpa-plus tayo ng d each time, no? So, that's 9. So, pag nag-plus 9 ako dito, that's -1. Pag nag-plus 9 ako dito, that's 8. Plus 9 is 17. And plus 9 is 26. Tama siya, no? So, ito yung sagot, yung tatlo na arithmetic means doon sa ating sequence. -1, 8, and 17. For number 2, we have insert for arithmetic means between 9 and 29. So again, that's 4 and then, 9. And then we have 4 arithmetic means. And we have 29. So this is t sub 1, t sub 1, t sub 2, t sub 3, t sub 4, t sub 5, and t sub 6. So we have t sub 1 is 9. We have t sub 6, 29. And ni, number of terms natin ay 6, which means yung d natin ay ano, no? And we have t sub 6 equals original formula natin. We have t sub n equals t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Here we have t sub 6 equals t sub 1 plus, may t sub 1 na tayo. That's 9 plus n, number of terms. Since t sub 6 siya, 6 minus 1 times d. But we already have a t sub 6, which is 29. And we have 9 plus 5d equals 29. And subtracting both sides, 9 from both sides, we have 5d. 20 is equal to 5d. And 20 divided by 5 is 5d divided by 5, which means that d is equal to 4. So the common difference is 4. Which means na magpa-plus 4 tayo dito. Plus 4, plus 4, and plus 4. So what's 9 plus 4? That's 13. Plus 4, that's 17. Plus 4, that's 21. Plus 4, that's 25. And then plus 4, that's 29. Okay, so I think malinaw, no? Yung paano lalagyan ng arithmetic means yung ating arithmetic sequence. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'll see you in the next video.